We admit it. Of course there are better things than getting a new crown. But with Cerec from Cerona, the way to a dental prosthesis is now more pleasant than ever. So what is Cerec? Cerec stands for ceramic reconstruction. With Cerec, your treatment is faster and more comfortable because the dental prosthesis is created digitally, regardless of whether you need a partial crown, or a veneer. So what does this mean exactly? No impression material, no uncomfortable impression tray in the mouth, which means no pharyngeal reflex and no jaw ache. The dentist scans your dentition using a camera. Then the dental prosthesis is designed on the computer and manufactured directly in the practice. You can even watch this process. The dental prosthesis is then fitted precisely in your mouth, and that's it. The treatment only takes approximately 1 hour. Say goodbye to temporary prostheses, follow-up appointments, and multiple injections, and the result will remain perfect for years to come, like ceramic restorations from the laboratory. No dark crown margins, no allergic reactions, and healthy gums. With Cerec, the dental prosthesis looks completely real. Make an appointment right now for an uncomplicated aesthetic dental prosthesis. Go to onlyonevisit.com for more information.